lost sometimes when my work won't grab me from the poor of the outside world. And there's a song we sing that leaves us always burning, all them things that we yet to find. Singing, we won't stop believing we will become always. We know when it's time to be working on a 12-pack instead of 9 to 5. 9 to 5 was just the fuel for the ride as it cruise through this line past feeling the signs. Just few drunken nights and the stories unfold. Set down the stress, replaced with a brew. Don't quit your day job, take a few breaks, not just for sleep or for sanity's sake, but for waters uncharted and the good friends of old. The lover, the ladies, and the bullshit we've sold. Put them in papers and into those minds. Turn up the music, stop and wind. Got some time on my side, the world to see. It's just a few of my friends and a song that we sing, singing. We won't stop believing we will become always. We know when it's time to be working on a 12-pack instead of 9 to 5. And I am found sometimes when my reason leaves me taken over by the outside world. And there's a song we sing that leaves us always yearning for them things that we yet to find. Sing, we won't stop believing we will become always. We know when it's time to be working on a 12-pack instead of 9 to 5. 9 to 5 is just the fuel for the ride as we cruise through this life past feeling the signs. Just few drunken nights and stories unfold. Set down the stress, replaced with a brew. Don't quit your day job and take a few breaks, not just for sleep or for sanity's sake, but for waters uncharted and the good friends of old. The lover, the ladies, and the bullshit we sold. Put down the papers, empty those minds.